This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Deb Koliski. Extremely rare find. Perpetual Camping Lot in the Lake District of Lake Camelot. Beautifully wooded lot with electric, water and 3-bedroom septic already installed. 2 to 50 amp services for a visiting camper. 12 by 40 concrete pad ready for your camper. Kayak rack, post/hangers for plants and lights are included also. Within walking distance to Woodbridge Beach Club so you can enjoy your days on the lake. Enjoy your evenings around the fire pit. Storage shed for all of your toys. Well-maintained lot with a circle driveway. Enjoy all of that Rome has to offer, close to several golf courses, ATV/UTV Friendly Community. 4 lakes nearby and lots of hiking and biking trails. Adjoining lot can be purchased with this for ad price. Camper is not included but could possibly be purchased separately. For more information,